If you're planning to go to South Korea or anywhere abroad, be sure to bring your GoTime card with you. This was the main card that I used for my transactions in Korea because, firstly, they offer the best foreign exchange rate. Here's an example of what I spent in a day using my GoTime card. We shopped at Daiso, kumain sa BBQ Chicken and Beer, bought a SIM card sa 7-Eleven, at nag-grocery sa Lotte Mart. As you can see in all my transactions, 0.039 pesos lang ang exchange rate for every 1 Korean won. Sobrang baba na. And makikita mo agad yung charges real-time through your app. Second, it's very secure kasi you don't need to enter your PIN sa mga machines nila. Just tap or insert card lang and you're done. It's so convenient kasi GoTime card lang ang kailangan ko for most of my transactions. But if you do need cash, GoTime din ang gamitin nyo to withdraw kasi wala silang withdrawal fees. Just take a look at this. Some cards will charge you 100 pesos or more to withdraw cash. Pero libre na yon with GoTime. Also, I got a new phone when I was in Korea and na-lock out ako from my other bank apps. Di ko sila ma-access. I can't log in kasi kailangan ng OTP which I can't receive while overseas. Out of all my bank apps, GoTime lang yung may access ako kasi Face ID lang kailangan. Quite literally, a lifesaver. And lastly, on top of all that, you're even getting Go Rewards points every time you use your GoTime card, which you can see real-time through your app. That is why I highly recommend that